Hello students, welcome back to the ninth video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 9 from the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 1, which is the October 2023 P1 paper. So let's get started with question number 9. So here we can see a figure 3, the third figure of the paper. So figure 3 shows the plan view of the area being used for a ball throwing competition. Okay, competitors must stand within the circle C and throw a ball as far as possible into the target area PQRS shown shaded in figure 3. Okay, so given that circle C has center O, P and S are points on C. Okay, so the circle C has a center O, P and S. These 2 points lies on the circumference of the circle C. OPQRSO is a sector of a circle with center O. OPQRSO, OPQRSO, it is a sector of the circle with center O. Okay, fine. The length of arc PS is 0.72 meter. The arc length PS, it is 0.72 meter. The size of angle POS, it is 0.6 radians. Fine. So part A is asking here to show that OP equals to 1.2 meter. OP, the length of OP, it is 1.2 meter. Okay, so since the arc length PS, it is given as 0.72, and we know the angle POS, so we can easily find out the radius. Basically OP is the radius of the circle C, right? So we know that arc length, it is what? R theta. Okay, so arc length, this is what? R theta. So OP times the theta is POS, it is 0.6 radians. So 0.6 times OP, this is equals, what's the length of PS? Arc length PS, it is 0.72. So 0.72. So the length of OP equals to 0.72 over 0.6. So that would give you 6 over 5, which is 1.2. So the length of OP, it is 1.2 meter. So OP equals to 1.2 meter. That's it. That's what part A of question number 9 has asked to show. Fine. Okay, next is part B. In part B, the question says, given also that the target area PQRS, it is 90 meters squared. So the area of the shaded region, it is 90 meters squared. Length of PQ, it is x meters. So part B, it is asking to show that 5x squared plus 12x minus 1500 equals to 0. Okay, so the shaded area, the area of the region PQRS, it can be found if we subtract the area of the sector POS from the area of the bigger sector QOR. So area of region R for part B, area of region PQRS, it is basically half of r square theta. So radius of the bigger sector, it is what? OP is 1.2. OP is 1.2. So this is 1.2 plus x. Okay, so 1.2. So x plus 1.2 whole squared. Theta is 0.6 radian, and from that we need to subtract the area of the sector POS. So this is half r square is 1.2 square, theta is 0.6. Okay, so this area, it's given, so we can take half of 0.6 common from there, half of 0.6 common. So then expand this one, x squared plus 2 times 1.2, which is 2.4x plus b squared. 1.2 squared is 1.44 Okay, 1.44. Then half of 0.6 has been taken common, so you will have negative 1.2 squared is 1.44. This is equal to 90 meters squared, right? Okay, so half of 0.6 is 0.3, so x squared plus 2.4x plus 2.4x plus 1.44, negative 1.44 cancels out, and on the right hand side you will have 90 over 0.3. Half of 0.6, take it to the right side, so it will be in the denominator of 90, so it will be 300. Okay, so what we can do now is that we need to have 1500. 300 will become 1500. Yeah, so to make it 1500 we need to multiply by 5, so let's do that. 5x squared plus 2.4 times 5, it is 12. 12x, take 300 to the left, so 300 times 5 is 1500. This is equals to 0. That's it. That's what exactly part B of question number 9 has asked for. Fine. Okay, next is part C, the last part of question number 9. Hence, calculate the total perimeter of the target area PQRS, giving you an answer to the nearest meter. Okay, perimeter. Perimeter is basically the border length. So what would be the perimeter of this shaded region PQRS? This is x, this is x. We know the length of PS, which is 0.72 meter. Okay, and we just need to figure out the length of arc length QR. So let's find out the arc length QR. Before that, we also need to figure out the value for x, right? So at first, find out the value for x by solving this quadratic equation. So x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So 12 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 1500. So this is 30,144. 30,144 b square minus 4ac over twice of a, it is 10. So the value for x, square root of 30,144, okay, so you will get square root of 30,144 over 10, it is negative 6 over 5 plus minus 4 square root of 471 over 5. This is the possible values for x. So definitely x should be positive because x is length. So x equals to 4 over 5 square root of 471 minus 6 over 5. This is the value for x. Now we need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter would be twice of x. So twice of x, it will be 8 over 5 square root of 471 minus 12 over 5 twice of x plus 0.72, the arc length PS, if I'm not wrong, the arc length PS, and the arc length QR, it is r theta. Radius is 1.2 plus x, and theta, it is 0.72. Okay, so r theta, radius is okay, theta is 0.6 radian times radius is 1.2 plus x is 4 over 5 square root of 471 minus 6 over 5. Okay, so now let's find out the perimeter. Okay, so plus 4 over 5. Okay, so the perimeter would be, use your calculator, 4 square root of 471/5 minus 6/5 plus 1.2 times 0.6 and then plus 0.75. Use your calculator to get the summation. Plus 0.75 negative 12/5 plus 8 square root of 471/5. Okay, so the perimeter in the exact form it gives 208 square root of 471 minus 165/100, that much meter. So it can be written to three significant figure as 43.5 meter. Okay, so did they mention anything about the significant figures or decimal places? To the nearest meter. Okay, to the nearest meter it should be, okay, the in decimal values we got 43.49127.158 meter. So to the nearest meter it is 44 meter. That's it. That's the perimeter of the shaded region PQRS. Exactly. And that's the end of question number 9. Fine.